Hi guys, Phil here, and I thought I'd share the process I use for generating online posts for clients and online ads for them to run. It's not that dissimilar to what I use for myself online when I post on Facebook, which incidentally I don't do a lot anymore because it's just such a kind of the reach is so low now. But for advertising, it's still pretty useful for certain groups of clients. So I'll show you the process, and then you can use it if you find that it kind of makes sense for yourself. Okay, so the principles that we need to use, or I use rather, are these. Okay, it's only called the principles. So it's, what will I get from listening to your adverts, from reading your post, etc. What's in it for me? Very important. How will you do what you say you're going to do in your post? And we've got to get all this down into a very, very small kind of section of text. So these are the principles. Who's responsible for achieving these results? I'll leave a link to this in the post if it's any use to you guys. So who's using this to get results, testimonials, amount of users, etc. Okay, how much is this going to cost? I know it's going to cost me someone to tell me. And what do I need to do now to call to action? So guys, going straight into Nichesss, I started doing this and then I thought it might be useful for you guys. So Jane's Mum's Workouts is just a kind of placeholder name that I'm using. So let's just see what we've got at the moment. So I use Nichesss to develop these, as you know, for all Nichesss users. And you can use Canva, which is a free option to generate your graphics and your images, etc. I use a paid solution, which was one of the AppSumo deals, which was called Pixelide. I think it's Pixelide. I'm not sure. I think it's brilliant. I use that all the time for my images. So let's just see what Nichesss came up with. So the first one was BizOp, Workout with Jane. I'm not going to go all the way through these, guys. I just want to show you the options that I use so you can do it yourself. Because although I'm going to be running Facebook ads for this particular person, the other ads such as Google keyword ads, etc., they provide some inspiration for the ads and kind of like feed ideas into the process. So let's just see. So we've got Facebook ads, we've got Google ads, we've got Google ads with problem to solution, which is really, really useful, and Google ads with keywords, and finally short post ads. So what I'll do, guys, I'll end this video now. Oh no, I'll show you how I select the images first. So into Pixelide, I think it is Pixelide. Don't know. Anyway, so I'll put in Yoga Mum because the client isn't full on, muscle bodybuilding kind of vibe. It's more of like a very gentle way for mums to get fit and stay fit at home because they're busy and all that. So put in Yoga Mum. What have you grown inside yourself? Begs the question, doesn't it? So I like that one. We could use that maybe. This is what I do. I look for headlines and images. So this one, I like the image, but I do like this. Let's shape up. So I think I'll use something like that. Anyway, I'll end this video now, and then I'll use my amazing video editing skills and join the next video or part of the video and show you what I come up with, and hopefully that'll be of some help to you guys. Anyway, speak to you in a second. Hi guys, I'm back, and it's about an hour later, maybe a little bit more. Had a conversation with my mum on the phone, did a little bit of faffing around, but taking the output from Nichesss and kicking it into a kind of base ad took around about, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes maybe, and messing around with an image took about, I don't know, another 10 15 minutes. I didn't like any of the kind of stock outlines, as it were, so I just went for something very, very simple and basic. I need to get the client's full color palette, but we're trying to stop the scroll, so there's an awful lot of well, I'd say complex images in the Facebook feed at the moment. So we're going to try something very, very straightforward and see how we go. Doing any adverts, guys, it's test one thing at a time. So if you think it's the image, try another image, run the same copy. Anyway, I'm sure you guys know all that anyway. So copywriting principles, let's have a quick look at the adverts and see how it matches up. So ad copy, join hundreds of busy mums who are enjoying getting fit with our free and easy online video classes. Ready in your inbox 24 hours a day. Plus, you receive recipes, motivation, and more. I'm going to say much more, probably. Very, very simple advert. The demographic target that this company is aiming for is young mums in the age range of 25 to 35. And we're offering free workouts at home. So that should work quite well, I would have thought. CTA is just get started now. So let's see how this text kind of hits the major points. So what will I get out of watching, reading, listening to this video, etc.? The X minutes of my life that I'll never get back. So what they'll get is free and easy online video classes. Okay. How will the company do the what's in this for me? So the way they'll do it is they will deliver video classes into a person's inbox every day. Okay. Who's responsible for making this happen? So it's the company, obviously, this sending the details to the prospects, because this is a lead magnet, so there's no actual cost involved this, apart from the cost of submitting an email address. So I suppose there's a cost, really. So the responsibility, I'm going to talk to the clients about this, and we're going to talk about having some kind of community forum, some kind of group. So it will be the company, the kind of customer when they come on board with prospects, and also the community, which I think is really important nowadays. So who's using this to get results? And it's hundreds of busy mums using it. What's this going to cost? Well, it's free, apart from the cost of an email address. And what do I need to do now? They need to act now and click on the get started, sign up, whatever. So I hope that helps, guys. So Nichesss, all of the AI copy tools produce really, really good output, but we need then to tweak it and match it to our clients' needs and what they're trying to achieve with their advertising objectives, budgets, etc. So I hope that helps. Hope it's not being too waffly. And I'm going to go make some cakes in a mug now, I think, for the kiddies. So have a great day, and I'll speak to you all later. Bye bye.